Welcome to Applied Calculus, Fall 2016. My name is Michael Boone, and I will be your guide through this online calculus course. And so I just wanted to get you introduced to the things you need to start off with. And so when we go into our Canvas and we can go into our course, I'll have it published here to by Tuesday, the first day of class. But you'll see your syllabus, and so please read over that. It does talk about some things that are pretty important. One thing about your access code that is required, and again, here's an optional textbook that you could get. It talks about how you are graded and that there is a seated exam. So you'll have online tests, online homeworks, and maybe some quizzes. You'll have some labs that you'll turn into me through Canvas, but you will have a seated exam on campus. And right now I believe I have that scheduled for December 10th. It'll be sometime that morning. And then just information on technology and things that you'll need. Academic integrity, attendance. Again, it's online, but you need to stay active in the course. So, information from the syllabus. We also have in our announcement sections, there's a couple things that are on here right now, and there'll be more as we get into the semester. There's some online resources available. Link to Khan Academy and their calculus section, and to Taro's Chalk Talk, another good online resource. I will also be making some videos where I'll be doing some screen capture of some WebAssign problems, and possibly some videos of me working out problems on a sketchpad. And so those will be up here by the beginning of class, starting off with the chapter 1 ideas. Another one of your announcements is how to access where we're doing our homework. We're taking our online tests, and that is in WebAssign. So this is an access or a class key that you will need, but you can log in to WebAssign. You're going to have to create a username and put in some information. Make sure you're using your LR email address, please, and your full name. But you will go through this process of logging in, and you will need this class key. Here is what eventually you should get to. So you can purchase the access code online. You can enter one that maybe you got from the bookstore. Or there is a trial period that's going to end August 31st. And so if you don't have the access code immediately, you still can get in to do homework. But you need to make sure you have it by August 31st, because that's when you will get kicked out if you don't have your access code by then. You will not be able to gain access to it. I wanted to show you Desmos. This is an online calculator that I'll allow you to use on your final exam. I would expect you use it during your test. It's just a pretty awesome calculator. Again, it's free. A lot of y'all have TIs, and that's fine. But when you're finding intercepts, it makes it pretty easy. It will solve things for you. So x squared minus 3x plus 2. When you look at this, or I'll put the equation in, it'll solve, right? So it's 1 or 2. Those are the solutions. You could also graphically see that the solutions are where it crosses the x-intercept. If you want to find your minimum, there it is. And so it just makes the process quite a bit easier, and we'll be using this through the course, looking at rates of change, derivatives, and integration. When we're doing the applied problems, this is just a handier tool, I believe, than the TIs. So, free calculator, and again, you can explore this and all the neat things that it does, but it'll be a calculator that I'll make some videos showing you how to do things through Desmos. And I believe that is enough to get you started. When you get into your WebAssign, I'm just going to say I'm going to continue my trial period. You're going to see that you have some homework to do. I think I've switched these dates to September 5th, and you'll see that when y'all log in. But here's some of your homework assignments for Chapter 1. I'm building those assignments and tests now. You also have your ebook that's down here. So this is something that if you don't have the hardback of the book, again, you have it online. And it's this exact same thing as the hardback book. We can look at what we're covering. We're doing chapters 1 through 6, so functions, graphs, and limits, differentiation, applications of the derivative, exponential and logarithmic functions, integration, and then techniques of integration. So these are the 6 chapters that we will be covering in this course this semester. And here's a book. You don't have to read it word for word every section, but you need to skim it to understand the ideas that are going on. And hopefully through the videos, the resources you have available to you, you'll have a better understanding of the material. Also, under resources, you will see that you have access to additional online videos. Here is a lecture video of Section 1.1. This is from the publisher that they produce. So from each section there are lecture videos from this publisher. You'll also have the resources that I'm giving you. Again, there are Khan Academy. It's a pretty popular site. Taro's Chalk Talk, which is really good. And again, I'll be making videos that's going to be doing some of your actual WebAssign homework problems, talking through it, and then I'll have a supplemental sketchpad with it so you can see the problem worked out. We also might have some discussions in the class, and so I'll probably put up one for each chapter that we're doing. You can ask questions to me, to your peers. We also will have some assignments throughout the semester, and with the assignments, those are going to be more labs, things that are supposed to help strengthen the concepts for you in the chapter. So that would be the goal. I encourage y'all, if you're on campus or off campus, to try to talk with each other, your fellow students, and see if you would like to work on homework together. I am fine with that. Talking with someone usually helps you through the tough concepts. Again, tests should be individual. And again, your final that you have on campus on December 10th will be individual. So please make sure you contact me often. If you have questions, I could do supplemental videos for you. And make sure you take advantage of in the library. There is a place to get math help, and as I get more information on the times that math help is available, I will make an announcement. So, announcements. Keep on looking at these. Again, those online resources, the videos I'll be making, super helpful. and they will be updated as we go through the semester. Also, make sure you are staying on top of your homework, and making sure that you are getting it completed. And again, communication. Communication in an online course is very important. During the semester, I may be able to have some sessions where I could come to campus, possibly on a Saturday here or there. I might be able to do that, but we'll see how questions go throughout the semester. Good luck this semester, and I look forward to working with y'all.